Allah, you know I'm here to make it a pizza, cause that's my line.
He does it fine.
But all the things I need to make it a mixture, are harder to find.
I need a line.
Mozzarella, macaroni, mushroom, and parmesan.
Are we gonna sing it my way? I love this. On top of a Mount Pizza, all covered with cheese, I lost my anchovy when Jasper he sneezed.
Animal crackers in my soup, monkeys and rabbits loop the loop. Gosh, oh gee, but I have fun swallowing animals one by one.
Been working so hard, I'm punching my card. 8 hours for what? Oh, tell me what I got. I got this feeling that time's just holding me down. I'll hit the ceiling, or else I'll tear up this town. Tonight I gotta cut loose.
Pasquale the chef here, and I'm keeping time. I provide the rhythm while we sing the rhyme. I'll be the first to tell you that I'm quite a ham. Everyone can see the great comedian I am. Just relax and close your eyes. Soon you'll be in paradise.
Maybe travel in space will become quite commonplace, and the future looks fun to me.
No matter what the speed, you know where to begin. Use your training